Hello there. You might be heard about some dream booth or ability to take AI and train to the photos that you wanted. So I have some videos. I'll post a link there so you can look on this. And it's kind of fun. For example, I created my own model. So I take my best model. I take my wife. I go in a backyard, take several shots and create with her this model so I can create all different type of photos based on the model that I train. And it's fun to do, but not everyone can do this. And here I found the new model that you can train on specific portraits, and it is jaw-dropping result. So let me show you what it's meaning. It is on myheritage.com. The one thing I need to let you know up front, it is paid service, so you need actually paid, or they have a trial. So you can, if you're not yet, you can sign up and try that for free, and let's see if it's work for you or not. But I need to let you know ahead, that is paid service. And it's actually based for your family tree, DNA, and all this stuff. And I use it, I love it personally, but it is very specific to me, okay? So right here, what I want to show you, it's in the photos, and we look before on colorization. This is awesome. Animations, I love to do animation with them, but here's a fun AI time machine, and it's new. So let's go inside here. So what you can do, and I'll show in a second, what I already done, but you go inside and you can upload photos, and they actually have a specific recommendation. So they want 3 full body shot of you or your relatives, 5 upper, 10 close up, 2 side. So it's all this image, about 10-25 images. You just drag and drop, and it is take a little bit time for them to process. So for sake of these videos, I'm going back and I look on what I already processed based on my personal images. So and we'll look right here. This is what the result come up to you afterwards. It's your portrait and all of these different areas. For example, here's me as prehistoric hunter. Of course, you can download it. You can share this image if you need it. But look on this. It's a perfect. It's look just like me. Whatever photos I was uploading, I was stunning how accurate it was. And it's very nicely done. Look on this. It's a beautiful. And here you have it as Egyptian king. And again, this one, I mean, it's look like me, okay? There, me as king Mesopotamian. You have it Babylon, Persian warriors, Greek, ancient Greek. First, you know, when they produce, I was thinking, hey, they may create couple, 3 images, but they actually created tons of images in all different type era, which is kind of even make more fun. Of course, I can share them, and I'll probably put it on some. Look on this. This is me, okay? Well, younger version of me, but it's me. Same right there. Roman legendary, Roman citizen. Let's go Roman aristocrats, philosopher. So, and we're going kind of time. It's a time machine. Okay, we're progressing. Warrior. And we have it also. Saxon. Some I don't know if they work very well. This one is definitely kind of not look like me. Okay, we have it gray. All this warrior, more medieval. Yeah, like this is. Yeah, even my ugly hair. It's look me. My mustache, my everything, face. Yeah, it's very, very good, actually. I'm really surprised how well it took my portraits, wherever I uploaded, and created. Some of them can be funny. Oh, this one, on first, I was thinking they used one of my photo that good, but it is look nice. Fantasy Knight. Okay, we have a Sultan, World Explorer, Renaissance Scholars, which is kind of very cool. I do like this one. Look cool, nice. Medieval Age Astronomer, 16th century royalty. 16th century, another royalty right there. Hey, look, it's a female. It's actually female, me in a dress. It's how a beautiful look with this beard. Just perfect match. Okay, Alchemist. We have it Musketeers. Ooh, Musketeers. My mustache is just like perfect for the Musketeers. Okay, Rembrandt, Baroque. Well, Baroque a little bit style, but okay, we'll see. Pirates, yes. Pirate painting. We have an 18th century composer, and my name is Chopine, and actually I do relate it to, so it's kind of related to Chopin composer. I cannot play, but at least I relate it. 18th century French, there you go. This is just like going another female, so this is actually look me as a female, me with mustache as female, and as well you can see some shadow right there, I think. Yes. Okay, there you go. French aristocrat. Yes, definitely me as a French aristocrat. That is will be. Okay, French royalty, nobleman. Oh, nobleman is nice. They're also pioneer, and I think pioneer kind of cool, except some of them not yet look like me. This is, I uploaded one photo with me like kind of open funny face, and I think this is actually capture this very well. Daguerreotype. That is kind of cool one. Look at this. Very beautiful, very nicely done. Civil War soldiers, another ones, and we're going through history. We keep on going through history. This is cowboys. So the nice things about this, because it does not produce just one for you, it's produce multiple through all the stuff. You can select them, you know, and build your history, see how you will look in different time. I think this is a very clever idea. Van Gogh. Okay, let's look next. We have an Arctic explorer. Well, we have the Russian Tsar, of course. Yes, Russian Tsar. So that is how we'll look. Fight pilot. Very nice. We have it 1920s, so we're getting closer. 1930s scientist. Yeah, that one is look definitely like me. You know, it's look very crazy scientist. Yeah, it's there. You go. That is perfect image. Oh, look right here. We have a Getty image. Oops, we know where the address from. Okay, let's go next. Archaeologist adventures. Oh, and this is kind of nice. Okay, let's go next. We have an aviator. Okay, we have it our 1940 painters. You know, this one look very cool. Actually, I do like. Yeah, that one look very cool. Okay, British Army General. Look very nice. 1950s. That is nice photos. There you go. There's a crazy hair. I don't think I ever have it in my life, this type of hair. But it is, again, try to use my face, mustache, and there's me like a Bob Ross. Okay, 1970s, we're getting closer. A rock punk. I think this one, a punk rocker. I think this is my favorite one looking. There you go. This is how I will look with a bunch of tattoos and green hair. You know, one time I tried to make as a punk for Halloween, and I burned my hair because I tried to bleach my black hair, and it's burned down and collapsed. So it was horrible, but it's look Halloweenish. So there you go. That is without all this experimental is how you will look. 1980s rock star, look awesome. Astronaut, and I think that's all. Futuristic cyborg there. If you ever meet me on a street as futuristic cyborg, I will recommend run away because I won't be nice. Okay, there you go. This is kind of cool. You can see how simplicity, simple. Just upload those photos as they require, and you have it all of this tons of different. I'm really surprised how much of images they're producing, and you can use it in as a time machine. I think it's a very, very clever idea what they tried to do there. And again, if you are not signed up with Rich, you can sign up for free trial and try it, see if you like or not. But just again, warning, that is pay service. Okay, well, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, let me know what do you think about this. Give us thumbs up, subscribe, share video, let other people find out about this, and thank you for watching.